Welcome to BTS Disco. BTS attended the 76th United Nations General Assembly as speakers and special presidential envoy to President Moon Jae-in. During their shared speech, RM, BTS leader and army-chosen president brought back memories of his first United Nations speech while looking to the future. When RM encouraged people to speak yourself in 2018, he had just turned 24-year-old, and the world was a much different place. No one could have predicted that when BTS attend the next in-person United Nations General Assembly, it would be during a global pandemic. This time, instead of speaking in English on behalf of all of the members as he did in 2018, RM spoke in Korean, in segments between his members' contribution to the speech. He began by greeting the world leaders in attendance and introducing BTS. It is an honor to be here today. We are BTS appointed Special Presidential Envoy of the Republic of Korea. He also introduced BTS collaborative You Today Your Stories project with armies. Fans everywhere submitted personal stories to talk about their pandemic experiences. Before we came here, we asked young people in their teens and 20s around the world about their past 2 years and the world they find themselves in today. It is a tough discussion, but I learned while preparing for today that there are many people who have an interest in environmental issues and choose it as a field of study. The future is unexplored territory that where we more than anyone will spend our time. So these young people were searching for their answers to the questions of how we must live their future. Living through a major historical event has not been easy for anyone. The pandemic has changed lives, disrupted plans and left many people feeling lost, including BTS. Even so, RM believes the youth of today is strong enough to prevail. RM shared the nickname the Lost Generation given to the generation in their youth during the COVID-19 pandemic. They have lost their way at a time when they need the most diverse opportunities and must try new things. But I think it is a stretch to say that they have lost just because the path they tread can't be seen by grown-up eyes. That's right if we believe in possibilities and hope even when the unexpected happens. We will not lose our way but discover new ones. The vaccination was a sort of ticket to meeting our fans waiting for us and being able to stand here before you today. Just like we said in our message today, we too are doing the things we are able to do right now. We thought the world has stopped, RM said, but it continues to move forward. I believe that every choice we make in the beginning of change, not the end. I hope that in this new world we can say all to each other welcome. Jimin added they don't look lost, they look like they are finding new courage. Take a look at these pictures. Here we have many who are trying hard to continue their friendship online in new ways, start learning new things and live healthier lives. Jimin shared that stories of hope, growth and learning prove this generation of youth is capable of adapting and finding courage in time of change. We can't stand still when we are in the ideal time of our lives to take on new challenges. It was not as if you would blame anyone, you must have felt the frustration. The world changed like if we were transported in a flash to a parallel one. Jin said there were times during the past 2 years when I too felt bewildered and troubled. But still we had people who cried out that let's live on, let's make the best of this moment. Jin said instead of the lost generation, a more appropriate name would be the welcome generation because instead of fearing change, this generation says welcome and keeps going ahead. When RM first spoke at the United Nations General Assembly, he had just turned 24. Now Jungkook, who has always looked up to RM as his role model, is doing the same as 24 years old. Jungkook said, I was saddened to hear that entrance exam and graduation ceremonies had to be cancelled. These are moments in life to celebrate and missing out in them must have been upsetting. We were heartbroken when we heard our concert tour was cancelled. Sometimes it feels like the world is stuck in place. It feels like you have lost your way. There was a time when we felt the same way. Suga added it was a time for us to mourn for the things that the pandemic took away from us. A time to discover how precious each and every moment we had taken for granted was. Choices we make may not be perfect, but that does not mean that there will be nothing we can do. We said, I hope we just does not consider the future as grim darkness. We have people concerned for the world and searching for answers. There are still many pages left in the story about us, and I feel like we should not talk like the ending has already been written. J-Hope added that everyone agrees that climate change is an important problem, but talking about the best solution might be that not easy. It's a topic that is tough to make conclusions about. If we believe in possibilities and hope, even when the unexpected happens, we won't lose our way but discover a new one. Thank you so very much for watching this video.